Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about a very exciting position. So, if you think that this position is good, please like, subscribe, and share. First of all, let us analyze the position. Both the kings are safe. Black's knight can jump on c4, e4, f5, and b5, whereas the bishop on f3 does not do anything much. It's just attacking a pawn which is defended by a pawn which is just useless. If we talk about the pawn structure, obviously black has a isolated pawn, but it does not matter because the next move black can play c4 and make the white's b2 pawn backward and attack on it by playing rook b8, queen b6. With queen b6 we also attack the white's f2 pawn. If we talk about the rooks, white's rooks are not doing much. They are just placed in the center. But in case of black, black's rook can come to b8, queen to c7 or a5 and double the rooks. And as mentioned earlier, after c4, b2 pawn will be backward, so it will be a very good attack for black. I gave you a little bit information about the position. Now let's begin. I give you 5 seconds for thinking about the move. It's just a normal move. I told you about it earlier also. Yes, congratulations for the guys who have found it. It's c4. With c4 we make white's b2 pawn almost backward because if he plays b4, then we can simply capture on b3, ab3, queen b6, just preparing to double up the rooks. He supports rook c1, rook c5, b4, attacking the rook. We just pull back the rook. Now c4 square is also weak. Queen d3, rook fc8, and it's a very good position for black. Knight can jump on c4, c3 pawn is weak, and many other weaknesses in black's position. So now let's come back to the position. Here white played queen d2. Not a good move. He's just trying to bring the queen or activate the queen and bring it on queen f4, queen g4, something like this. But black played queen b6, attacking the b2 pawn, king h2. This is a because why. Now we just play rook b8. It's a good move. It's attacking the b2 pawn. Now we can double up the rooks also from like rook b7, rook fb8, or just queen c5 and then double up the rooks. Rook fc8 is also coming. So many moves for black. Here white played queen f4, a good move because if we take on b2 or f2, d6 knight is hanging. Black played knight b7, a very good move because now black is attacking on f2, b2 both pawns and also threatening to play knight c5, after which he can take his knight to a4 attacking b2, or a very good square d3. From d3 it attacks f2, e1 rook, b2 and queen. The same happened. White played rook d2, knight c5 and rook e2. He is just defending the rook and f2 b2 pawn, knight d3. Here queen e3 would have been better, but he played queen d4. This is not the best move because, or it's a very bad move actually, because after just queen d4, cd4, can anyone think the move here? I am giving you a couple of seconds to think. It's just like a fork. Yeah, congratulations for those who have thought the move. It's knight c1. Now rook e1, knight takes on a2. Here the plan of black is if black plays rook to a1, we can play knight to b4. If he plays rook takes on a7, we just play knight d3 attacking on b2 pawn, rook a2, rook b3 blocking the pawn, bishop d1 and rook b4. Now we are just doubling up the rooks and the b2 pawn will be gone, after which we are 2 pawn up and the c4 pawn is a connected passer. So it's just a resigned position for black. Here, let's move back. Here he played bishop e2. He may be preparing for f4, f5, but the game is almost over. We will just double up the rooks, f4, rook fb8, rook a1, knight b4. Now just knight c6 is coming, b2 is under pressure, d4 is also a weak and isolated pawn, and it's just a resigned position for black, and black it's just a resigned position for white. White here resigned, and this is a very good game. The main thing about this game is no one made a blunder. It was played positionally, and black defeated white in a very good way. He maneuvered his pieces, especially that knight d6 to b7 and knight b7 to c5 and d3. That was beautiful maneuver of knight. And the way he brought his queen to b6, rook double up, and all strategically played. Okay guys, I will be bringing up new videos like this, and comment in the comment section and tell how you think about the position.